Carlos Ferreira, Cruz Silva, Atlantic Costa, Vegas, Pires Purka.
Because attention of the House is drawn as regards to the unchecked influx of gig economy workers employed by platforms such as Zomato, Swiggy, Blinkit, who are reportedly bringing in over 8,000 delivery agents from outside the state, along with their own vehicles bearing registration plates from other states. The steps the government has taken to protect local employment, enforce transport and labor regulations, and to ensure that these platforms operate within a framework that prioritizes Goa's economic and social interests.
Yes.
Speaker, sir, the offices of the Swiggy, Instacart, Amazon deliveries are registered under the Goa Shops and Establishments Act, 1973. As regards to Blinkit, the same is pending for compliance for submission of documents under the Act. The Zomato, Swiggy and Blinkit are online food delivery and grocery delivery platforms. The workers involved in delivery of food and grocery items are called gig workers. These delivery partners are not covered under the labor legislation as the delivery persons who actually deliver food, grocery items on a self-employment on commission basis. These persons are entitled to be registered under e-Ashram portal, which is a central government unorganized sector registration portal, which is pan-India platform, wherein individual workers can register on the e-Shram platform either by himself or by taking aid of any common service center facilities as unorganized sector workers. At the instance of Central Government of India, special registration drive was conducted by Labour Department for registration of gig workers from 7/4/2025 to 17/4/2025. And in all, 862 gig workers were registered in the state of Goa under e-Shram Central Government Portal, which is a Aadhaar-based registration. It is seen that these platforms are collaborating with Model Career Center for conducting placement drives to give opportunities to local Goans. For example, Blinkit has conducted placement drives for posts such as store manager, assistant store manager, and store associates. Further, Swiggy has participated in mega job fair conducted at Dr. Shama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium for giving opportunities to the locals. It is further informed that Blinkit has sought placement drives at the Model Career Center of Employment Exchange on 7th August 2025. It is expected that the local candidates shall attend these placement drives. Speaker, sir, there is no provision to reserve such gig workers or any other vacancies only for candidates from the state of Goa, as it would be ultra virus of the Constitution of India. The Government of India is also concerned about these workers and is in the process of providing social security benefits to these workers. As of now, these workers are entitled to take benefits of Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Jivan Jyoti Bima Yojana, Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Dam Mandan Scheme, etc., which are accident, health secure and pension schemes. Speaker, sir, as regards to the issue of vehicles used by the delivery agents, which registration plates from other states are concerned, Government will write to the Transport Department to examine the issue as per law. The Employment Exchange has been giving wide publicity for such placement drives through social media and has also formed WhatsApp group where even honorable MLAs of this House are added. Speaker, sir, there is no need for any anxiety in the minds of general public in view of the above answers.
Speaker, sir, our issue is with regards to these delivery platforms and local employment regulation. The Mantri answer dila, but Speaker, these platforms today are all on the rise. Swiggy, Zomato, Blinkit, Amazon, Flipkart. And no wonder they brought visible convenience to the people. लोकांक हेजो फायदो जाला. But economic opportunities जे पडे हाय because from kitchens to warehouse to transport. Along with these benefits, because there are legitimate concerns about labor practices. The way labor practices, compliance with transport regulation, and marginalization of local workforce participation. Khas karun, especially in the last mile delivery. And that's because if you look at this contribution to the economic activity, they are helping the home kitchens, cloud kitchens, even dakle restaurants, they're all connected to them. They have scaled up using these delivery systems. But because these platforms, which is in nature of self-employment, the whole idea of it, their reach has helped entrepreneurs. 30 to 35% of these delivery riders are employed mostly in the state of Goa. Other pode hai sagle baile, major, you know it now. Do you have a record of what is the outsiders and Goans? Do you have, does your department have the records? Because they are private gadi, mostly outsiders, Karnataka registered, other Mumbai registered, they come here to the state of Goa. And Swiggy and Zomato, they follow the on-demand model. Tenge model for us because riders wait near the restaurants, they collect the food, and tenge timing for us, sakani breakfast to late night, sometimes even midnight, depending on the kitchen hours. And the items that they do are perishable items, so they require punctuality, they require swift delivery. Blinkit and Instamart is a different type of a market. It's an instant grocery delivery 24/7 model. And they operate with a warehouse. They have a warehouse-based inventory model. Daily use products, groceries into that, and they have to be delivered within 10 to 30 minutes. It's because a supply chain from stocking to last mile delivery. These services operate 24/7, require rotating shifts and require cover night deliveries as well. Amazon and Flipkart on the other side is a different model. They are logistics focused. They are usually from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. and they have about 80% goans of the figure that is given. Now, because their riders do not loiter around. They gather in public spaces and they have a waiting for orders. Thus, they reduce the public nuisance. And that's because the public infrastructure and basic worker needs, as per your labor laws, this is one of the main concerns, especially with Swiggy and Zomato. These people are still waiting near restaurants, no designated spaces, no toilets, no shelters. And Flipkart and Amazon they do not face this issue because they are a depot-driven type of a model. And that's because all these online delivery systems have expanded their productivity, diversity, and imports from all over the world. The problem is, despite their footprint, regulatory gaps for and government's role, this is lacking. I'll tell you why. The compliance is a major concern. Insurance, roadworthiness and traceability, these are factors and these are concerns. Because labor law is unclear about the working hours. Do you have a track on their working hours? Because minimum wages, insurance and social security, most of these people are engaged as partners with the independent contractors. So, Jenna conclude Keller speaker sir, these platforms, no doubt they have transformed local consumption and presence in Goa, has added to the economic efficiency. But going mukar jenna gele, goinkarank ezo faydo kiti ja paddhatin aj unemployment index. His department today says that there is no law. Poer mundo laalo ki apun unki samina bhitor policy aatla. So what steps will you take that you mandate labor and transport compliance? You have a power to do that. Number two, you through a state level notification or guidelines, you can send them notification on the way they are moving around. Dusre, you need to encourage these companies to prioritize local employment. You said you had a job fair with whom, Swiggy or Amazon or Flipkart. This was, I think so, in 2022. There's nantar kit kelte in the next 3 years. It's because we need to initiate a registry first of all, of these delivery vehicles with local verification, with safety, insurance, route validation. जेन्ना कोण parcel घेवन येयल्यार direct घरा भितर येताय. तितून असो देराको माताय भितर येताय. And most of them are outsiders. So what do you know? Do you have a list of them? Are they covered and the police verification has been done? What steps you take? Because म्हाका दिसता let us not stall the progress. हांव प्रोग्रेसा अगेन्स्ट न्हू पूण म्हाका दिसता एक एथिकल इन्क्लुसिव आनी एक लॉफूल जेन्ना गोंयकारांकूय हेजो फायदो जावपाक जाय खास करून जे अनएम्प्लॉयड आहात.
येस विनेश बोरकर.
सर हांव आमचे कॉलिंग एटेन्शन जे आमी सगळ्यांनी मेळोन मूव केल्लें आसा तेजेर उलोवपाक उबो रावल्लो आसा आनी पळयता आमी हे जे प्लॅटफॉर्म्स आसा हे प्लॅटफॉर्म फास्ट डिलिव्हरी करपाक लागून म्हळ्यार विथीन 10 मिनिट्स हो डिलिव्हरी सेगमेंट आसा. आतां स्पीकर सर अशें जाल्लें आसा की हांगा खुबश्यो व्हेकल्स यूज जाता. आतां तुमी पळयला आसतलें रोडार दिसता ज्यो व्हेकल्स ते यूज करता त्यो चडश्यो भायल्यो आसता. जावं ते कर्नाटकाचे जावं ते UPचे जावं ते वेस्ट बेंगल MPच्यो ह्यो व्हेकल्स एवरी टायम आमकां दिसून येता की ते डिलिव्हरी बॉय आसता पळय ते ह्यो व्हेकल यूज करता. आतां स्पीकर सर अकॉर्डिंग टू सेक्शन 66 मोटर व्हेकल एक्ट हांगा स्पीकर सर क्लियर कट आसा की नेसेसिटी फॉर परमीट हांगा तांकां परमीट जाय. परमीट आसपाक जाय हे व्हेकलाक परमीट्स ना. तो एक प्रश्न जालो. हेजेर म्हाका दिसता लेबर डिपार्टमेंटान काय आपणाचो स्टँड क्लियर करूं ना कित्याक तांकां कंपनीक बरोवंक जाल्लें की हांगा परमिटाची गरज आसा आनी हें करपाक जाय. सो ट्रान्सपोर्ट डिपार्टमेंटूय हेजेर लक्ष दिना. ट्रान्सपोर्ट डिपार्टमेंटान अजून पर्यंत हेजेर लक्ष दिल्लो ना. तशें स्पीकर सर आतां आमी पळयता की प्रायवेट जो कमर्शियल युजाक लागून यूज जाता कमर्शियल सगळे डिलिव्हरी सेगमेंट जो आसा तो हरशी प्रायवेट हे आसा पण कमर्शियल युजाक यूज जाता. आतां आमी दुसरे हितून पळोवया स्पीकर सर जेन्ना आमी पळयता की हे इतले जाण हांगा येयल्या जे लेबर भायरसून येता चडशे जाण डिलिव्हरी बॉय जे आसा ते भायरसून आसा. आतां लेबर मिनिस्टर म्हणटा की आमकां सद्याक फियर ना म्हणून. आतां हांव एक सांगता की इतले जेन्ना येता आमचे सगळे बिजनसीस आसा आमची शॉपां आसा बारीक बारीक शॉपां आसा ही सगळी इफेक्ट जाता. आनी दुसरे वाटेन आमचे जे लोकल्स आसा तांकां खंय कामाक घेवपाक जाय पण हांगा अशें जालां खूब फावटी आमच्या गोंयकारांक थंय घेयना. एज पर जो मिनिस्टरान जो रिप्लाय दिला ते पॉलिसी ना म्हणून पॉलिसी हाडपाची गरज आसा. सो पॉलिसी ना जाल्यार कशेंच जावचें ना. तिसरे स्पीकर सर कितें आसा की डिस्ट्रिब्युशन युनिट्स आतां गोंयचे कितलेशे जाण डिस्ट्रिब्युटर आसा ते डिस्ट्रिब्युटर खूब हाडून दिता आनी ते सप्लाय करता. हांगा स्पीकर सर कितें जाता की ह्यो ज्यो कंपनीज आसा त्यो आपणाचो वेअर हावस घालता व्हडलो. आतां एक मेटा स्ट्रिपा कडेन सांकवाले एक व्हडलो वेअर हावस जाता तेंचो. ते वेअर हावसान आख्खे भरतले स्पीकर सर आनी ते सगळे भरले म्हणटो कितें जाता थंय जो कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर आसता तो कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर तेंचोच आसता. हांगा आमचो लोकल कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर कोणाकूच दिना. सो हांगा स्पीकर सर असो प्रॉब्लेम जाता की जो आमचो लोकल कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर आसा तो काबार जाता. सो हेका लागून स्पीकर सर हांगा कितें तरी पॉलिसी हाडपाची गरज आसा आनी ही हाडिना स्पीकर मातसो ही समज हाडिना नाल्यार हे आमचे जे बिजनसमॅन आसा हे बिजनसमॅन काबार जातले. हे डिस्ट्रिब्युशन युनिट जो आसा तो सगळो सोंपतलो. सो ही पॉलिसी व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. तिसरें आमचो लोकल यूथ जो आसा हांगा प्रोग्राम्स कंडक्ट करून तांकां कशें भितर घालपाचें हें गरजेचें आसा. आनी हे जे आयज सद्याक सामके वाट लावन उडयल्या ते खंयचे खंय चलयता तांकां सारको सिस्टम ना खंय रावपाचें कितें रावपाचो हो कांयच ना टॉयलेट फेसिलिटी ना. सो हेका लागून ते कंपनीक डायरेक्शन दिवपाक जाय डिपार्टमेंटान ती डायरेक्शन अजून पर्यंत पावल्ली ना. सो हें इम्प्लिमेंटेशन करतले आनी लोकलांक जॉब जनरेट करतले जाल्यार डिपार्टमेंटान एक्शन घेवपाक जाय.
I join to speak on the calling attention moved by all of us in the opposition. Speaker जर मंत्र्यान पयलींच सांगला की तांकां जर आमी काम करून दिलें ना इट विल बी अल्ट्रा वायरस टू कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. म्हळ्यार देशाचे संविधानाचेर मंत्री पावलो दपक्याक. आमी उलयतात आमचे प्रदेशाचे आमचे राज्याचे. मंत्री उलयता संविधान देशाचो खंयचोय मनीस खंय येवपाक शकता. स्पीकर सर डिलिव्हरी प्लॅटफॉर्म आहा तांकां तांचे कडेन व्हेकल आहा आनी व्हेकलां ती कित्याक वापरतात कमर्शियल डिलिव्हरी एजंट्स म्हणून. आतां ताजे खातीर तांकां बेसिकली कमर्शियल व्हेकल खंयची नासतात प्रायवेट व्हेकलां वापरतात. सो दे आर ऑपरेटींग आउटसायड द लिगल फ्रेमवर्क. सेकंड तांची ती पर्सनल व्हेकलां ती केन्ना ती ताका हें ना कितें तें आमचे परमीट आहा तें लागना. स्पीकर सर कसलोच इन्स्टिट्युशनल मेकॅनिझम ट्रान्सपोर्ट डिपार्टमेंटाचो आनी खंयचो टू एनफोर्स दीस परमिट्स हें दिश्टी पडना. आनीक जर रिकॉर्ड पळोवंक गेलो आनी म्हजो एक पयलींचो प्रश्न आहा तो पळयल्यार फक्त डॉमिनो पिझ्झा म्हणटा तांणी बॉक्स डायमेन्शन हें तें फुलफिलमेंट केलां उरले कोणूच कांयच फॉलो करना. सो स्पीकर सर व्हडली बॉक्सां एक मोटरसायकलीचेर घेवन वचप मंत्री म्हणटा कांय ना म्हणून बट दोज कॅन बी अनसेफ. पीपल से दॅट दे आर अनसेफ. आनी स्पीकर सर म्हळ्यार कितें की ते हाडून डिलिव्हरी करतात थंय बायल्यो आसता रातचे हाडून दितात सो तांकां इंटिमेट नॉलेज मेळटा घराच्या शेड्युलाचो सगळो सो हे चोरूय जावंक शकता स्पीकर सर लोकल टॅक्स म्हणटा ते अवॉयड करतात ते टोटली आनी म्हाका दिसता जो गोंयचो पसरकार म्हणून आशिल्लो गोंयचो जो धंदेकार आसलो गोंयचो जो आमचो एक मांड घेवन बसतालो ताका न्हिदयलो सो सरकाराक खबर आशिल्लें ब्लिंकिट येता सरकाराक खबर आहा झोमॅटो स्विगी हे सगळें आसा म्हणून सो सरकार तकली वापरना कित्याक ते 7th पेचे कमिशनाची सॅलरी घेतात इतलो डिपार्टमेंट कितें भजी भाजतात सगळ्या उत्तरांक काय आन्सर ना उत्तरांत मुखेल मंत्री सगळें आयकतलो आनी सांगता ते हय म्हणटलो पूण सोल्युशन कितें सोल्युशन ताजे कडेन ना जाल्यार कित्याक बसल्या म्हाका कळ्ळें स्पीकर सराचें अल्ट्रा व्हायरस कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन म्हणून सांगपाक आमकां नाकाय खंयचोय मनीस खंय धंदो करूंक शकता हें आमकांय खबर आहा पूण गोंयकारांक तूं प्रोटेक्ट कसो करतलो हें आमकां सांग
Because stand by to participate in the joint calling attention that we all have proposed. Because development and progress जायो, accountability, social security and community peace जी हा. Because आज जे आमगेले भुरगे ये स्विगी, झोमॅटो, ब्लिंकिट ये सगळ्यो गीग वर्कर्स म्हूण आता एम्प्लॉयमेंट चालू जाला त्याची पयली सद्या स्पीकर जॉब सेक्युरिटी आणि lack of employment status, these are two major things. So केन्नाय तांकां एम्प्लॉय कोताय केन्नाय टर्मिनेट कोताय because there is no job security. Hire and fire हे तेंगे सिच्युएशन जाल्ली हा because तांकां प्रोटेक्शन करपाक कोण ना. सेकंड थिंग इज फायनान्शियल स्टेबिलिटी कित्याक there is no assurance की थिंग लागलो आज 15,000 मेळटले हाल 20,000 मेळटले कंटिन्युटी ना केन्नाय ऑफ सिजनात येवपा जाता स्पीकर मागीर सेकंड थिंग इज लो एंड अनप्रेडिक्टेबल वेजीस सो आज तू 400 एम्प्लॉय केलो हाल 600 करपा आता पतन 300 हाडपाक शकता आता 2 मिनटं ती कावर करून दिया मागीर थर्ड इज पुअर वर्किंग कंडिशन एंड हेल्थ रिस्क सो तेंक हेल्थाचे आणि तेंगे वर्किंग कंडिशन्स गायडलायन्स कोणा कडेन ना जाय ते तू मोटरसायकल तू आपल्यागे घेवन यो तू घराक वच आनी तू वॉशरूमा वच परत यो सो देर इज नो एनी वर्किंग कंडिशन्स फॉर देम लॅक ऑफ सोशल सेक्युरिटी एंड बेनिफिट्स सोशल सेक्युरिटी बेनिफिट्स हें ना कित्याक हे कायद्या प्रमाणे सरकारान अजून कांय बसयलें ना हें कितकोन एडॉप्ट करपा जाय तें आनी एक्सप्लॉयटेशन स्पीकर ते भुरग्यांक एक्सप्लॉयट करिता सो म्हणजे तांकां वर्किंग आवर्सा क्रायटेरिया ना तो रेडी जालो जाल्यार तेज्यान 12 वरां 24 वरां देखून काम करपा सो दे हॅव बीन एक्सप्लॉयटेड नाव स्पेसिफीक टू डिमांड्स स्पीकर इम्प्लिमेंट द कोड ऑफ सोशल सेक्युरिटी कोड ऑफ सोशल सेक्युरिटी 2020 हाचो कोड हा सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंटाचो हे सोशल सेक्युरिटीचे बेनिफिट्स टुवर्ड्स गीग वर्कर्स हे कायदो आमी करून घेवपाचो ताकी दे गेट द बेनिफिट्स हे जे भुरगे आमगेले स्विगी झोमॅटो के मोटरसायकल चोयताय डिलिव्हरी पावयताय तांकां हे कोडा भितर आमी मांडावळ करून हाडपा जाय आनी माय सेकंड स्पेसिफिक डिमांड इज लीगल रेकॉग्नायझेशन ऑफ द गीग वर्कर्स एज एम्प्लॉईज as advocated by the trade union to Supreme Court. Trade union जे हा Supreme Court हा तेमी advocate केलो तांकां legally employees म्हणून मानून घेवपाक
आम्ही पळयत जाल्यार look at this calling attention. We are speaking about not only people who are working in Goa, but also who are reportedly bringing in along with their own vehicles bearing registration plates from other states. And our demand has been the steps the government has taken to protect local employment, enforce transport and labor regulations. आता विरेश बाबान सांगलो त्या प्रमाणे हांव तो मागचो सांगता सेक्शन 66 of the Motor Vehicles Act. It reads this: no owner of a motor vehicle shall use or permit to use the vehicle as a transport vehicle in any public place, whether or not such vehicle is actually carrying any passengers or goods, save in accordance with the condition of a permit granted or countersigned by a regional or state transport authority or any prescribed authority authorizing him to use the vehicle in that place in the manner in which the vehicle is being used. So it is inbuilt system. You cannot say that I'm only labor minister, so I'm only bothered about labor department, about employment. When the whole system is working, not only from receiving orders, but also supply and delivery, that's the time you must make sure that you are bringing your entire mechanism in place and ensure that these people, आता एक गाडी घेऊन येतात, 2-wheeler घेऊन येतात, wrong side येतात, fast होतात, and they want to deliver in breakneck speed. They want to reach within 20 minutes, 30 minutes, otherwise they will be fined or they may lose that thing, or they may give it free to the customer. So this is what is happening. These people are causing accidents. These people are coming with near misses or hits with people. And they are not even our locals. They don't even bother about the rules. They come on us. That's why you need to enforce this within your system.
Yes. Dr. Jangan Shetty. Please speak.
हय, हे जे व्हेकल भायले येतात हे भुरगे एक तर म्हणतात ते कशें ते आमच्या सरकाराक काय टॅक्स बी काय दिना आमचो तो इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर यूज करतात आनी मेन थिंग कशें दे कॅन कमीट क्रायम कित्याक तांकां हांगा कशें आसता ते सोशल तांकां हें नासता बॉन्डिंग नासता तांचो धंदो कसो आसता फक्त पयशे करपाचो आसता दे कॅन डू एनी क्रायम सो दॅट मायट बी हार्मफूल फॉर अवर सोसायटी प्लस आमचो फुडें वचून जो सोसायटीचो आमचो कल्चर आसा खुबशे भुरगे आतां भायर आयला आमच्या कल्चराकय फुडें एफेक्ट करूं शकता ताच्या खातीर हे जावपाक जाय
निलेश काब्राल.
मिनिस्टरान उत्तर दिला ते हांवें वाचलां म्हाजे प्रश्न फक्त मिनिस्टराक विचारपाक जाय जो गोवा स्टॉप्स एंड इस्टॅब्लिशमेंट एक्ट 1973 सो एक एग्जाम्पल हांव दिता जे ब्लिंकिट म्हणटा ते मडगांव रजिस्टर्ड केल्लें आसा आनी डिलिव्हरी दिता कुडचड्यार जाल्यार गोवा स्टॉप्स एंड इस्टॅब्लिशमेंट एक्ट कोणाक लागलो मडगांव लागलो ओ कुडचड्यार लागलो कित्याक कुडचड्यार डिलिव्हरी करता म्हणजे म्हाजे म्युनिसिपालिटीचे जे शॉप्स एंड इस्टॅब्लिशमेंट एक्टा अंडर पयशे येवपाचे ते येना. दुसरी गोष्ट जे ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टराक हांव विचारूंक सोदता स्पिकर साहेब की हे जे वर्कर जे सगळे उलयले हांव रिपीट करना हांव एकूच कित्याक हितू भितर बाबा तेजे क्रेडेन्शियल हे सर्टिफाय कशें करता आतां गोवा स्टॉप्स एंड इस्टॅब्लिशमेंट एक्ट जो आसा इट इज ओन्ली फॉर स्टॅब्लिशींग अ बिजनस हांवें ऑलरेडी सांगला की कुडचड्यार डिलिव्हर करता मडगांव रजिस्टर जाला पूण आतां मडगांव कुडचड्यार काय कितें मेळता म्युनिसिपालिटी काय मेळना. दुसरी जी गोष्ट आसा हांकां जे रजिस्टर करतली हांकां कोण पळयता लेबर एंड डिपार्टमेंट की आज 10 एम्प्लॉई वयर जर जाले जाल्यार तूं लेबर म्हाज्या बिजनस एस्टॅब्लिशमेंटाक धाडटा ताका रजिस्टर कर म्हण हेंचे कडेन आतां 40-50 लेबर आहा ते करपाक तुजें काम न्ही काय स्पिकर सर हे मातशें क्लॅरिफाय करचें म्हणटा.
Yes. Sri Alex Florence.
I'm just reading the reply. In the reply, Minister has said that mega fairs, mega job fairs were conducted and they have advertised some posts. Now for these posts which are advertised in mega camps, even people from outside the state come. So I would like to tell the Minister that, and he has said one more thing in his reply. He has said that he will write to the concerned department to examine the issue. I think the Minister has failed. He should have not wasted so much of time writing, because this issue has been,
एक मिनिट सभागृहाचे कामकाज 5 मिनिट वाढयता.
or issue pade ha is about people from Goa getting employed in Swiggy, or rather outsiders taking place of the Goan jobs. And anek gost how safe, kitli safe aha te jeon delivery kotta ite. So all this is credibility deonta ayegi.
Yes.
आज तुका भुरग्यांक ऑर्डर कोत्तायची there are part of the cases which are भुरग्यांक कॅन्सर जाता, फॅमिलीन सिकनेस जाता. I know one family, the daughter used to stay alone in Kolwa, and the daughter was there and parents were abroad. She always ate food from Swiggy. You don't be surprised, she died at the age of 24 years old. It's because of the quality of food. No, Speaker sir, eko minute. So I would request the Minister, don't waste time in doing this. And I would like to ask the Minister whether he has written to the Food and Drugs to check the quality of food.
There's a restaurant.
Also, because this is a very significant point to check the quality of the
Yes.
food.
Mani Mantri.
Restaurant.
Yes. Minister.
No, because sir, भायल्यो गाडयो हाडटा म्हणटा गोंयांत त्यो कितें न्हू केन्ना क्रायम डिटेक्शनाक प्रॉब्लम जावंक शकता.
Yes.
ताका लागून हे मातशें सिरियस घेवपाचें.
Yes. Okay. Mani
कित्याक
Mantri.
कितें भायले गाडी येता, भायले लोक येता आनी आमच्या गांवांनी त्रास जावपाक प्रॉब्लम जावपाक.
Speaker sir, I will answer to some of the queries raised by honorable members. First of all, delivery platforms like Zomato, Blinkit, etc. are all India based, and they recruit delivery workers for local area services. However, legally they cannot be banned whereon workers from outside the state. Everyone. Legally.
Forget they can't be banned.
Workers-
I'm not talking about banning them. I'm asking you under which regulations you control them.
Yes.
Where is the oversight?
these workers are not actually regular workers, nor on the basis of minimum wages. They work on mutually agreed terms on commission basis. For example, these people sometimes, one may work for hours, one may work for 1 hour.
वर्करान तुका कोणाचो भितर वतना खून केलो तू कोणा धरतलो
No, so that is the reason.
the point
no,
is there are laws that regulate this.
I know that is the reason what I believe. I believe a police verification is a must. And now we will basically write, no, basically.
Is it happening? Is the police
No,
verification
basically we will
happening?
we will write.
Some workers come right to the door.
No, I understand, I
They
understand.
have to be, there has
Yes,
to be
sir.
police verification.
Speaker sir, this is an interdepartmental issue. म्हणजे हांगासर लेबर डिपार्टमेंट आयले, ट्रान्सपोर्ट डिपार्टमेंट आयले, होम डिपार्टमेंट आयले, FD आयले, ओके. कितें तरी एक सिस्टम जाग्यार उडोवपाक जाय. नो डाउट इज डे बाय डे हो प्रॉब्लेम जो आहा तो वाडत आसा. निलेशान जशें म्हटलें मडगांवच्यान कुडचड्या पावले आनी थोड्या दिसांनी ते धारबांदोड्याच्या भितरल्या विलेजीत सुद्दां पावतले म्हणटा तशें. बट एक सिस्टम इन हांव लेबर मिनिस्टर दोगूय जण मेळोन बाकीच्या डिपार्टमेंटाक ऑन बोर्ड घेवन एक सिस्टम जाग्यार उडयता.
2022 न्ही म्हजो एक एलिक्यू आहा थंय हांवें विचारला की कोणे खंयचे डेलिव्हरी प्लॅटफॉर्मान तुमचे कडेन रेजिस्टर केला. 2022 तुम्ही म्हाका रिप्लाय दिला की नो डेलिव्हरी प्लॅटफॉर्म इज रजिस्टर्ड. आता 3 वर्सां जाली. 3 वर्सांत परिस्थिती तीच आहा, तांचो धंदो वाडत आहा. सेकंड कितें आहा जाणा तूं, धंदेकार काबार जाल्या. पसरकार जे गोंयचे आशिल्ले माण घेवन आशिल्ले कोण ते काबार. हे ब्लिंकिट म्हणल्यार ते तांकां आनी धंदो ना, तांणी बंद करपाचें.
But this basically helps the goals.
एक जे कोण सांगला मुखेलमंत्री हे 8 फेब्रुवारी 24 आन्सर दिल ते होगत जुबिलंट फूड्स डॉमिनोज हेमी रजिस्ट्रेशन केलें. तेज नंतर कोणे केलं
डॉमिनो पिझ्झा तो एकूच सारको आहा.
एकल्यान केला. So if you all can bring him, hold him accountable, I think everyone else should be brought under the same.
Anyhow, speaker sir,
आणि कितें
They are registered under Goa Shop and Establishment Act.
आता जर आम्ही टॅक्सी म्हणून पर्सनल वापरली पायलट आता पायलटाक आम्ही रजिस्ट्रेशन घेतात. आता हांव जर हांगा झारखंडची काय मोटरसायकल हाडली आनी हांगा पायलटगिरी करपाक लागलो ते अलाउड म्हणटाले तुमी खंयच्या कायद्यान अल्ट्रा व्हायरस टू कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन
डॉमिनोजान अडॉप्ट केला तो फॉर्म्युला. डॉमिनोज आर registered. They have a
Even
proper
these are-
formula.
even these are registered. Even these are registered.
One second. Even their food that they deliver is properly boxed with सगळे हांग. ओदोरांक पिझ्झा आहे फ्री नाला फ्री मेळना कितें येता तांगे एडवर्टायजमेंट
बरो जावपाक लागला.
ते फॉर्म्युला हो मॉडेल हा तो हे कराय अडॉप्ट कराय.
सभागृहाचे कामकाज 5 मिनिट वाढले.
Speaker sir, central government actually is seized of this issue and these platforms all over India. In future, some regulation may come up for gig workers through central government.
सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंट ना रे तो आता
But the gig workers, this is a general under the
He's saying he'll
Ishram.
get one nodal agency form together and get something done, no? Registration of them.
As far as-
See, it
no,
may
no.
be tomorrow there's a
As I-
crime.
no, no, as I-
tomorrow there's a crime. Who do you hold accountable
That
for
is the
it?
reason
Someone
we
has to
will-
be held accountable.
That is the reason we will check on, that is the reason we will check on it.
तू उतर मातशें दी मुखेलमंत्री तू
That police
उतर दी
verification is
registration
done.
allow करता. तू मातशें दी मातशें.
स्पीकर सर आता मिनिस्टरान आन्सर दिला ताका कंटिन्युएशन करून फुडें सांगता हांव. कारण कशें आहा तेंच्यांनी सगळ्यांनी कन्सर्न रेज केल्लो आसा. देर इज एन लॉ एंड ऑर्डर इशू, देर इज एन हेल्थ इशू, ओके. ताज्या उपरांत ट्रान्सपोर्ट डिपार्टमेंटाचो इशू आसा. हे सगळे इशू कन्सिडर केल्यार एकदा पुराय जे कितले जाण येदो स्टडी करून एक पॉलिसी फ्रेमवर्क करता तांकां रजिस्ट्रेशन तांणी म्हटलां त्या प्रमाणे रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑन बोर्ड तांकां कंपल्सरी करता तेंचे व्हेरिफिकेशन करूया आनी अकॉर्डिंग टू दॅट गोंयकार जर कोण हे हेजेर काम करपाक तयार आसत जाल्यार त्या गोंयकारांकूय
हांवें तुगे ट्रान्सपोर्ट मिनिस्टराक
मी सांगलोलें.
काय केला
काम
तू
गोंयकार
मातशें
काम
कर.
करिना केले कोणाकूय जाल्यार ती ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी जी आहा येस विदिन 6 months we'll do it.
Within 6 months जावपा जाय.
Yes, करता.
ट्रान्सपोर्ट मिनिस्टर पिक्चर काडटा
त्या मार्चच्या म्हयन्यात जेन्ना येता तेन्ना ती पॉलिसी आसपा जाय.
पुढे होती आम्ही
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.